Now cutting across to some big news coming in from Rajasthan's BJP infighting that's now right out in the open. Rajasthan BJP expels key Vasundhara Raje loyalist for 6 years. Former Rajasthan Minister Rohit Ashwa Sharma has been expelled from the BJP after he claimed that Raje is the most popular leader in the state. Rohit Sharma accused the state BJP leadership of lack of efforts in reaching out to people during the pandemic. Here's Rajasthan BJP expelling Vasundhara Raje's close aide. In fact, we're looking at Rohit Ashwa expelled for 6 years. BJP has expelled him for questioning the BJP's COVID-19 handling in the state of Rajasthan, also claiming that Vasundhara Raje is the most popular leader in Rajasthan. Dev Ankur for more details on that. Dev, here we're looking at Rohit Ashwa being expelled for 6 years. That's quite a harsh punishment for questioning their own leadership. He's questioned the BJP's COVID-19 handling. He's also said that Vasundhara Raje is the most popular leader. Does that mean he should be suspended for 6 years?
Well, absolutely, Jamila. That's quite a harsh reaction by the BJP leadership in Rajasthan. But remember, Dr. Rohit Sharma is a senior leader of the BJP, a seasoned politician, or was a senior leader of the BJP. Before his expulsion, he was considered a very key loyalist and someone who, was amongst the coterie or the core group amongst the Vasundhara Raje loyalists. Now, his expulsion has bigger ramifications or bigger meaning attached to it. Remember, Vasundhara Raje in BJP has been sidelined ever since there was a change of government in Rajasthan. Vasundhara Raje has not been a part of the core discussions that have been taking place within the BJP in the last two and a half years since Congress government came into being. And there were accusations, there were allegations being leveled that several key loyalists of Vasundhara Raje were trying to make statements against the state BJP leadership. So there are several factions in Rajasthan BJP. One of the factions is of Dr. Satish Punia, who is the current BJP state president. Another faction is of Vasundhara Raje. Then there is a third faction of Gulab Chand Kataria, who is the leader of opposition in Rajasthan in the assembly. So the loyalists of Vasundhara Raje had been making these remarks, and when Arun Singh, who is the BJP National General Secretary and the state in charge for Rajasthan, mentioned that there will be action taken against those leaders who have been making anti-party remarks, it was understood that sooner or later some kind of action will be taken against someone like Dr. Rohit Sharma, who was issued
and
a
clearly
notice.
So,
And
quite a harsh punishment that Rohit has been given. Clearly, he is the closest aide of Vasundhara Raje, and this man who's one of the most crucial players in the BJP Rajasthan unit has now been expelled for questioning the BJP's leadership and the handling of the COVID pandemic.